So today I'm going to show you how to make the least expensive long pipe clamps you can find. You end up with at least 2. I ended up with 6. I made 6 of them. Very nice, very long pipe clamps. And these will span 56 inches. You're going to need 2 of these Bessie pipe clamp kits. Each one costs about 15 bucks from Amazon, and Home Depot had the same thing. I got the 3/4 inch. I think that's going to be plenty sturdy. And then you're going to buy a 10-foot 3/4 inch pipe, and this is available at Home Depot as well. And I would assume that they could cut it down for you, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it myself. Here are the tools I'm using: gloves, glasses, wrench to get the caps off the ends of the pipes, deburr tool, file, reciprocating saw to cut it, measurement, marking, and then blocks. Got to get these buggers open. Bing! And the gloves are mostly just to get the packaging off. That stuff's nasty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these guys on first in the center, and then the threaded ends on either end, and then prop it up and chop it in the middle. So we've got this all set up, ready, propped up, tight enough above the ground that I can make that cut, and I've marked in the center where I need to cut. And you'll want to use a metal cutting blade. This one is a 14 tooth per inch blade. It worked great. Just take a file to the ends of these to clean up, make sure there are no burrs. So I actually have this deburr tool, which is a nice little metalworking tool for clearing out holes when you drill a hole in a metal plate, or taking off the burrs on the edges of things. It doesn't really work nicely on the outside of a tube, but it would work nicely on the inside of the tube. So hope this was helpful, and see you in the next one.